Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and it's time for another market update. Let's see what is going on the charts because we need to be ready for next week. So I will start this week a little bit different. Like you can see here, I have Bitcoin on weekly time frame. And the reason I'm starting like that, because I don't know if you see, but on my custom indicator, I have a very important signal, and believe me, this type of signal is not coming too often, also especially on a weekly time frame. So like you can see here, I know, and the reason I'm telling you it's not coming too often and it's not confirmed yet, because it's still like you can see here, when I'm the time I'm recording, still 7 hours and almost 40 minutes until this weekly candle will be closed. So I need to wait until the week will be finished, and let's see if this signal will stay here also, because it's a chance to disappear. But the reason I'm starting and I'm telling about this one, because last time when it was in this type of position here was in September 2024, like you can see on the line, and we have that pump. Another example, it's here, yeah, which was in April 2025, so exactly 1 year ago. So if I'm looking like that and this signal will be here, we can have some very bullish move in the market, especially also I'm looking on oscillators. Yeah, last time when it was like that on weekly time frame, and also I have a cross here, so everything is looking bullish on the charts. Yeah, last time in this area, and wasn't that low, like you can see here. I'm talking about these two lines, the white and the black one, was in August 2022. So I don't know what to believe. It's a chance to repeat this scenario. If let me make a little bit bigger to understand. Yeah, so if you can see in that period of time also we have this type of signal, also was on that line, which in that period of time was a red line. So it's a I'm not telling it's going to the moon. Yeah, don't expect that, especially with what is going on in the world, and we'll talk about a little bit later in this video. So okay, I have that that cross here on those oscillators. Also how was in 2022, but this not necessarily means we'll go to the moon, because like you can see here, everything was bullish on the indicators, but the price will go down for a while, and I'm talking months in a row. Yeah, so I'm not telling you it's going to the moon. Again, be cautious. Me, I prefer to stay out tomorrow and on everything. I'm not joking. I don't want to trade crypto. I don't want to trade commodities. I don't want to trade stocks. I don't want to trade metals. I prefer to wait. Only if I see some short, I will start this type of trading, because I don't like what is going on in the market. And now the reason I'm telling you I don't like what is going on, not because of the charts. Yeah, charts are very bullish. The problem is we believe the chart our TA, or we need to see what is going on in the war, because everything now is messed up by the news. Yeah, you know the situation in the war, what is going on. The war is finished, no, it's back again. They finished, they especially with the Hormuz situation, they open they close, they open, they close, they open, they close. So I'm sick of it, what is going on. So now I don't know what to do, to be honest. I prefer to wait until tomorrow, because Friday everybody was very happy. Actually Thursday, market going up, new all-time high for the S&P, Nasdaq, stock market, explosion to the upside. In this situation we have a lot of uncertainty in the world, especially with the oil price, with the war between US and Iran. So it's not normal what is going on, especially with the big boys. I'm talking about S&P and Nasdaq, and like you can see, Bitcoin is lagging. Yeah, S&P all-time high, Nasdaq all-time high, and Bitcoin 40% down, more than 40%. So it's a problem in my opinion. So that's the reason I'm not telling you it's going to the moon, but we need to see what is going on. And something else, now I go to daily time frame and put back my TA. So price of Bitcoin now, it's on my side, it's on my hour now with 7 hour and half past 7.5 hour until Asia session will be open. The price is 75,665. But if you go on CME chart, yeah, Friday Bitcoin was closed 77.6k, yeah, so automatically will be a CME gap, yeah. Let's see what is going on, because it's a chance to recover that gap straight away and after continue to the downside with the situation and what is going on in the world. Also remember, we have a gap on Bitcoin, yeah, to recover from long time ago, from February, yeah, no, 30 January. So it's a chance to go and fill that CME gap. I don't know, especially what is going on in the world. That's the problem. Everything, all this type of news affect all our TA. If I'm looking at my TA, Bitcoin looking very bullish, but let's see tomorrow. I saw also some news about big boys, the big traders from stock market, S&P, Nasdaq, they sell like crazy. So was a big sell-off before our US session tomorrow. So I don't know what to expect in Asia session, to be honest, but it's a chance to not see a very big dump, and we'll see that dump in US session. So that's the reason I don't want to trade tomorrow, because I'm expecting big volatility. So let's see. Also this week, if you check Forex Factory website, and you have all the news there, like CPI numbers, core pricing this, and manufacturing, will be a very busy week, especially with oil reserve. Also they announce how oil US they have in their reserve. So it's a very big week in our market. So please be cautious this week, because to be honest, I don't know what is going on. And guys, if you see something on the internet, on social media, somebody saying, yo, 100% is happening this, they lied it, because nobody knows what is going on. We try to predict the market here. This is and I want to show you what I'm doing. So yeah, that's it with this chart. Again, be careful, because I don't know what to do tomorrow. In my opinion, I prefer to wait to see what is going on and start some trades from Tuesday, not tomorrow. So again, will be a CME gap. We have that CME gap there to the upside, so please be cautious. Very, very important. Now back to Bitcoin. If you see on 4-hour time frames, also with according to my indicator, didn't come back. I expecting a bigger correction in that period of time for coming back and retest this area, yeah, but for me, unfortunately, wasn't like that. Continue to go to the upside slowly. What I'm seeing now with my indicator also to the oscillator, still looking very bearish. So still it's a chance to go even lower. Like you can see here, already broke my line on my custom indicator, coming back some type of retest here. So I need to see tomorrow or in the next 2 days for Bitcoin to remain bullish, to break this line, and this line coming back again and make green, like in this example. So it's a chance to coming back even lower. So again, be cautious. If I'm looking on even lower time frame like that, 15 minutes, I have this trend support. Yeah, let me stop my indicator, because I want to see you clear, to see the best picture what I have here. What these two lines here, you know already, this is my liquidations zones with the big ones, 50 and 100x, what I'm expecting to go at least to retest this line, and I hope to be a support, because if it's breaking also this trend support, it's a chance to coming back even lower, and I'm expecting Bitcoin around 70k. And if it's not keeping this area, this support, it's a chance to coming back 67 areas. So let's see, again, level by level, it's very important. Also, I have a bigger support if Bitcoin want to dump even more, it's a chance to retest this area. Everything depends what is going on tomorrow and how the market will react with this nonsense between US and Iran. It's very, very, very important. If you look also like that, Bitcoin is creating a bearish pattern. Yeah. So if you look like that, this is that type of rising wedge, which is actually, it's a bear flag. So also be careful, because it cannot go forever like that. They need some type of correction. So I'm looking on this type of things. Again, if I'm going on Bitcoin index and I'm not turning my indicator, nothing, only the lines, what is going on now, look what I'm expecting. For me, still, it's a chance this one to be some type of bearish flag again, like in this area. Yeah, because I didn't see a big explosion. I like we are in the middle, so it's a chance to coming back and retest this if we're trading with Fibonacci line. I have this level 382, so also it's very correlated with that the top of the CME gap, so it's a chance to go there. I don't know if it's coming, it will go straight away. It's a chance tomorrow to have volatility and after. So if they all, this will be the bullish scenario if the market is not coming back and retest again 67, and if it's losing 67, which is correlated with 0.53 on Fibonacci level, this chart, and let me make you a little bit wider so you can see, if you're not keeping this one at 0.53, it's a chance to coming back and retest again 618. Also, if you're going like that on weekly time frame, I have this trend support, which is coming back from 2022. Remember, bottom for Bitcoin in that area around 60k. So yeah, are a lot of I have a lot of information on that. So I'm ready for both scenarios, the bullish one and the bearish one. Didn't coming back like that on the lower time frame to retest this area. It's a chance to coming back like that from here, and after go to the upside. So that's the reason, guys, I don't want to trade tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to stay on the side to see what is going on. So yeah, that's it, what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. If you're looking of USDT dominance, look what is going on. USDT dominance now on daily time frame is going like that. It's in this area. In my opinion, it's creating a bull flag, like you can see here. This is a falling wedge. So didn't go and retest with this dump, is still around here. I have put a line here, some type of support. Like you can see here on the oscillators, I have a green dot, which is a little bit bullish. So if they decide to go here to the upside, I'm expecting this time to break like that, retest, and go in that area, because I'm still thinking can go around 9.5%. So be careful. Yeah, the bearish scenario, not bearish scenario, but if they go like that, there will be big volatility in the market. It means from they go up like that, stop some longs in that premium run from traders, rejection from that area, and maybe in that will go like that and retest is 6.5%. So please be careful with this one. Please take a look on this one, because in my opinion, very important. You know what it means when this chart is going up. It means people that exited from position and they prefer to stay in stable coins. If this chart is going down, people are jumping in the market, and yeah, everyone is happy. The prices are going to the upside, especially if you have spot trades. It's looking very good. If you look on BTC dominance, this I don't like it. Yeah, look on daily time frame, guys, from here, and let me start my indicator again. Look on daily time frame. BTC dominance last week broke that trend resistance, coming back, perfect retest, coming back, another retest. Also, if you look at my indicator, perfect, so it's very bullish. If this one I can trade it, oh my god, it's so easy to trade the BTC dominance, but unfortunately we cannot trade that. So I'm expecting to go here. For me, this level, it's an important level. I know sometimes BTC don't make this move, but for me that one was some type of fake outs. Yeah. Also, I have another trend support. If you go on weekly time frame, that was for a while some type of support. Break it, attempt to break, no. Yeah, so strong resistance, second attempt. So again, it's a very strong resistance. So now if I'm doing this one a little bit like that longer, I don't like what I'm seeing here. Yeah, if you look on daily time frame, it's a chance to coming back and retest this area. Yeah, if I'm looking only on oscillators, I don't know if you see what I'm seeing, but in my opinion, it's a chance to go slowly to the downside. But again, can repeat this move from here, fake out to go to the downside and coming back. And look what happened in that period of time with BTC dominance. So please take a look. I'm expecting something like that. So you go from here, rejection, or if will be big dump in the market, I'm expecting this possible move in BTC dominance. So please be very careful when you're trading tomorrow, if you want to trade tomorrow. That's the reason, again, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm telling you what I'm doing. So I will stay out. I don't touch stocks, nothing tomorrow. I prefer to wait because the charts will be here also Tuesday. So yeah, that's it with BTC dominance. Now I want to go and stock market. Yeah, remember what I told you. That was the previous all-time high. Look what happened. Yeah, S&P broke it, broke that previous all-time high, coming back, retest, and continue to the upside. Now we have some gaps, guys. Yeah, so if the market will dump tomorrow, I think this gap will be covered. Yeah, look what is here. Also we have that one. This is not a gap. What I marked there, let me remove it because it's not valid anymore, was the previous all-time high. So look at these gaps. I have 4 to the downside. Some of them will be recovered. Yeah, actually what I'm seeing in my conviction, I think it's a high chance to recover this next week, these 2 gaps. Yeah, because what is going on in the market. So please be careful if stock market is dumping tomorrow. Also our market will dump tomorrow. I'm talking about crypto market, yeah, especially the most risky assets. So yeah, please be careful. Look at this one. If they continue for some reason, I don't know, but it's a chance because again, this is not normal in these times. Yeah, what is going on in the world, this is not normal, period. It's not normal. So but because you never know what will be happen tomorrow or in the next 2-3 days, invalidation for my scenario will be like that. Break it, retest this line, continue to go to the upside. If you look like that on daily time frame, can go even higher. Yeah, because look on weekly. Yeah, if I'm going on weekly and I cover all my drawings, this is very bullish what is going on now. Yeah, last time when happened was in that period of time. So I don't know to see, but doesn't matter my opinion. I told you it's not normal what is going on, but apparently these guys, they have different agendas. So again, please be ready for both scenarios. Yeah, very important. So that will be the bullish scenario. The bearish scenario, coming back like that. Let me go on this, coming back, and this will be the bearish scenario. Everything in my opinion is very important what is going on tomorrow in US session. Yeah, not Asia. So let's see. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing in S&P. Also Nasdaq, similar. Look at this. Yeah, break previous all-time high. Nasdaq don't have these don't have gaps, but break it, retest, was in that area, and continue to the upside. If you look on this candle on 4-hour time frame, still bullish. So I don't know what to believe. Me, I have this line. So if they want to be some type of correction in the market, will be like that. I don't know how will be there, but we need to wait. Also, that if it's happening like that, believe me, it's a big dump, and we can short this market, also S&P and Nasdaq. If you look on weekly, it's on daily time frame, it's a long way to the downside, because me, I'm expecting every time it's breaking, like you can see here. Yeah, last time won't happen like that. Break it, retest. Every time it's coming back to retest. Nothing is going up forever, guys. But if you look on weekly time frame, similar scenario like in S&P. Yeah, look at this candle. This is not normal again, but who knows? It's actually doing like a meme coin. But yeah, if you look April last year, similar move. Yeah, only in that period of time was a little bit different. Also, if you notice in the S&P chart, yeah, these two signal for longs was under red line. Now the second one was exactly on the line, so it's a chance to go up. If you look also S&P and Nasdaq oscillators, green dot, make a cross, everything is looking very bullish. We need to wait and see what is going on. If will be a correction in the market, I'm expecting to be something like that, to recover 50% on this candle, also on S&P. So yeah, I will look for S&P and Nasdaq tomorrow very curious to see what is going on, because if I see that dump and from some reason I'm not taking any short, I will look for some long in that period of time. So yeah, that's it what I'm seeing in stock market. If you look on gold, look gold how is looking on weekly. This is the first signal, very bullish. If this one is going to the upside in this type of in this sorry guys, I'm very tired, I'm mumbling a little bit. In these times, what happening in the world, suppose gold and oil to go to the upside in the same time, but apparently I see some type of declaration in these two charts, so I don't know the reason exactly. But what I'm seeing here now is very bullish for gold. So it's a chance tomorrow gold to start pushing at least around the 5,100 area. And to be honest, I will look for some longs in gold, in platinum, in silver, in copper. If gold is like Bitcoin for all coins. If gold start moving, doesn't matter the direction, all the metals will react. Yeah, so I will looking on especially on silver, because if gold is make 2% to the upside, silver is making 4% to the upside. So that's the reason I prefer to trade silver, platinum, and copper than gold, because they can double the percentages in the move. So yeah, please look at like this one again. I was on weekly time frame, very bullish, reversal, possible reversal on oscillators, and coming after 1.5 month to the downside. Yeah, remember, was like that. 1 month was going down, correction, and now starting going up. If I'm looking on 4-hour time frames, let me put my TA. Come on, look where is it now. Break that one for a while, staying and playing gold staying in this area for me was some type of resistance. Touch that one, coming back, touch again a little bit higher, coming back. Now in my opinion that was a fake out, retesting, stay for a while, now coming back again, break from this area. Every time is making a lower high and a higher high, if you look like that. Yeah, every time. So now I need to see what is going on and how will be the opening price in 8 hours. So if this one will be bullish from here, it's a high chance to break this high and go even more to the upside, because this is a perfect scenario what is going on. That candle was closed on top of this green line, for me was a fake out for a short. So also it's a little bit current, and they recover around 45% or 50% from this candle, which by the way it's a very huge vector candle. So yeah, I'm expecting gold to go to the upside. So for you who trading gold, if this one is a breakout from here, my next level will be around 5,000 for gold, 5,100, something like that. So be careful, because also I have that line. So please look at gold tomorrow, look at metals. It's a high chance to for you to catch a very good trade. So yeah, that's it with gold. If you look on oil, look what is going on. If tomorrow all the stock market will drop because what is going on between US and Iran. Sorry guys, I'm repeating myself, but I hope you understand, because it's very important what is going on in the world, because it doesn't matter which type of TA you have, I have. It doesn't matter where the news is coming, especially now, it's messed up everything. So if will be a big correction in stock market and crypto, I'm expecting for oil to have a very big push to the upside. Yeah, nothing is telling me here oil is bullish, but again, because of the news, like you can see here on daily time frame, still bearish. Yeah, I don't see any sign of reversal. The only thing what I am seeing, and if I try to find some type of bullishness in oil, only to the TA, that's it, from the TA, not because of the news. I like for oil because this full body candle closed exactly on the support. Yeah, so that's the reason I'm telling you, only because of TA it's a chance to coming back here and retest at least this area. Yeah, so now if you like that on 4-hour time frame, that's it's another level. So I'm expecting like that. You have two options, coming back here, and from here let's see what is going on, because it's also a chance to go like that. Because remember, this dump was happened because they opened the Strait of Hormuz, but apparently now it's closed again. So I'm expecting this move can happen also to the upside. Yeah, so it's a chance to go even higher than that. Invalidation for that one from here, this is level becoming stronger resistance and is dumping even more, which I don't believe so, by the way, according to what is happening in the world, not above the DA. So please look also on oil. Me personally, I'm not trading Brent or WTI. This is what I'm trading. Me, I'm trading light crude oil, but again, it's respecting also what is going on with Brent. Also happened with light crude oil. So for me, also in this area was a support. I'm expecting like that also to go to the upside. Let's see what is going on. If I didn't update my TA for this one, but you get the idea. Now it's an important resistance. So also for this one, bearish scenarios going there and see if it's breaking, even going even more to the upside. Break that one to the upside, bullish scenario, coming back, retest, and go even higher. So I have two possible scenario for light crude oil. So yeah, that's it. What I'm again, I will jump to Bitcoin chart. Very important what is going on. Me personally, and I have my TA, I'm very curious to see if it's playing this bullish scenario. Yeah, because in my opinion, this 100% have 7 hours, and like you can see the market, if I'm zooming in, it's not doing too much. For me, this is not a big move. I'm on 15 minutes time frame. If I'm going in 4-hour time frame, I'm not seeing a very big dump before Asia session. So I'm 100% convinced this signal for a long will be printed. Yeah, because I need to wait again to this candle to be closed. And let's see if it's playing, because remember in the previous dump, yeah, we have two dumps to that side. Still I'm believing we can have the third leg, because like you can see here opening how I'm trading with M pattern, and every time I'm trading a pattern when we are in a bearish market, I'm expecting 3 legs to the downside, especially on the higher time frame. First leg consolidation, second leg, and I'm expecting the third one. When it's coming, I don't know, nobody knows, but maybe not happen. Maybe from tomorrow everything, or next week everything will be very bullish and we're going to the moon. Who knows? You never know. But at least I have this signal. Also have a cross on my oscillators, but again, if you're looking on monthly time frame, this one still going down. Yeah, I don't see nothing bullish. I don't have a monthly time frame, and like you can see appear even rarely than a weekly time frame, so I don't have this one here, so I need to wait. So yeah guys, that's it. Please be careful. In my opinion, my advice to you, don't do nothing tomorrow because very big volatility. Of course, if you want to scalp on 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, you can do it. It's totally different. But about bigger trades and keep it for at least 2-3 days, I don't see a point to start trading tomorrow. Me also, what I'm looking, let me show you here. I'm looking on orange juice. I missed a trade last week. I was busy doing something else and I missed this one, but it's okay. Was for a scalp that was supposed to be a perfect trade, but anyway, I'm expecting something if everything is going bad in the market, stock market, also this one coming back, and because this is my level, what I'm expecting. I trade last week cocoa. I make a very good trade from this one, like you can see here. Already I take profits. That was my trade, and I cash out exactly there. That's the reason I put there. It was a very good trade for me. Actually, I trade to time. That was the good one. Here was another attempt because coming back and touch this line, and I have this line on 1 hour time frame. This trend support. So I take another trade. That was my entry. That was my stop loss. I was stop loss in profit. Yeah, I didn't take that, and I'm a little bit sad, but it's okay. At least I didn't lose money. So yeah, now I'm very curious how it will be tomorrow, because if the market from some reason become bullish, I have a chance to trade, to take another trade on cocoa, but a scalp. The reason I'm telling you a scalp if you're going like that, because that one was a support. I'm expecting cocoa to go like that, retest and continue to the downside. Also, I'm watching another one. Look at cotton, guys. Cotton. I'm looking at cotton and daily time frame. Look what is going on. Also, I think this one can go even on weekly. It's an important resistance now. This one, I don't know the reason why it is going on. Cotton is going like that. I will this week start from tomorrow, because I'm not trading, I have more time, and I will make a little bit research to see what is going on with cotton, because this is the only commodity is very bullish like that. Also, I will show you another one which I take a trade, 3 attempts this week, and I will stop out every attempt for me to trading that commodity. So yeah, I'm expecting, I need to look tomorrow what is going on, because I have two possibilities: going massive rejection from here coming down, retest, and in that period of time I will take a short, or the bullish scenario, this price is going up, coming back, retest, and in that period of time I will take a long on cotton. So yeah, also I'm looking this one. The commodity I'm talking about, and I was stopped 3 times, is sugar. Sugar. Fortunately for me, I didn't catch that one. Yeah, was a very good move in that period of time, but was a long time ago. In this area here, 3 attempts. Yeah, first 2 trades I put a very tight stop loss. and the last one I put a wider stop loss, but also I will stop out. So sometimes this happens, guys. Yeah, not all the trades can be winning trades. Yeah, sometimes it's going against you. So I decided to not touch for a while sugar. But the reason I tried to trade this one because it was an important support, but obviously this one break it to the downside. Now I need to wait. Also that one was um, a big fake out in my opinion, and look what happened. I need to wait now. So yeah, that's it guys from my side. Please be careful tomorrow. In my opinion, it's very important what is going on. Again, remember, will be a gap on CME chart, and that's it. I prefer to wait to see what is going on, to see what is going on, and after look for some trades. I don't want to look for short, only if it's depends how fast we'll go. If it's going slowly I'll look, but if it's coming it's happening very fast, definitely I don't want to take some shorts, because I in the last 2 weeks I tried to short 6 times, actually 3 times Ethereum and 3 times Solana, and all of them I was stop out. Don't get me wrong, and I put very tight stop losses, and 2 times I was stop out the break even. But yeah, I don't want to short the market. I prefer to wait and catch some very good entries for some cost, because if dump is happening tomorrow and you'll catch very good entries, yeah, you can keep it for a long period of time, and especially the spot entries. Yeah, and looking on your coins, because for example Bitcoin dumped 10%, some of the altcoins can dump 20%. So if you have some projects on your mind and you want to buying in spot, please be careful, take a look on them, and maybe you catch some very good entries with this one. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you like what I'm doing here. Please leave me a comment if you have some suggestion for me, if you want to change something, or to add more altcoins, or individual stocks. I'm here, I'm open. Give me a like, subscribe, and a share if you want. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next time. And for my community, see you in London session. Take care guys. Bye bye.